In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious pineapple banana smoothie recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup pineapple, half a cup of pineapple juice, 1 banana, half a cup of vanilla yogurt, half a cup of ice, 1 tablespoon of honey. In a blender, add the pineapple juice, pineapple, yogurt, bananas, and the honey, and blend well. Add in the ice and continue blending until the ice is completely crushed. We're going to pour this out into a glass cup. Our pineapple banana smoothie is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.